Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an immersive 10-minute journey to one of Italy's most captivating destinations, the ethereal Lake Como. From charming towns to opulent villas, brace yourselves for an enchanting exploration of this iconic lake's unparalleled beauty and tranquility. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join our global community of travel enthusiasts. Without further ado, let's set sail on a 3-day voyage through the magic of Lake Como. Day 1. Unveiling Como's charms and Cernabbio's splendor. Our grand journey commences in Como town, a jewel nestled on the shores of Lake Como. Its sweeping waterfront promenade and exquisite historic architecture make it a delightful prelude to the region's awe-inspiring beauty. Our day unfolds as we step into the grandeur of the Como Cathedral, a living masterpiece representing centuries of architectural. Day 2 ushers us into Bellagio, famously known as the Pearl of the Lake. Brace yourselves for a symphony of natural beauty and serenity that will echo in your heart. Venturing into Villa Melzi Gardens is like stepping into a dreamscape. Amid lush greenery and by the shimmering lake, You'll find a haven for nature lovers and art enthusiasts alike. Leaving behind Bellagio's spell, we journey to Verona, a town that captures the essence of Italian charm. But wait, there's more. A quick detour to Menaggio reveals the daily life of the locals, unfolding in picturesque scenes that tug at your heartstrings. Ten-minute journey through the paradise that is Lake Como. We've walked in the shadows of cathedrals, been embraced by the tranquility of lakeside gardens, and been charmed by the allure of idyllic towns. If you dream of your Italian adventure, hit that like button and let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to support our channel.